If you're part of an IT support team, you've likely faced the challenges of providing remote assistance. The tools can be expensive, complicated, or have frustrating limitations on their free versions, like session timeouts right when you're making progress. This is where a tool designed to remove those barriers comes in, and that tool is HelpWire. HelpWire is a remote access service that empowers businesses and home users with remote desktop control tools. Today, we're taking a close look at HelpWire to show you how support professionals can use it to provide better customer service. So, let's dive right in and see how you get started with HelpWire and what its interface looks like. The first step is to create an account. You can sign up using your Google profile or a standard email and password. During this initial onboarding, you'll be prompted to enter your name and your company's name, and you can even upload a company logo. This is a nice touch because it personalizes the experience for your clients, which makes the service feel like an extension of your own brand from the very beginning. Once you're registered, you land in the HelpWire web portal, which is your central command center. The layout is clean and uncluttered, and it's good for avoiding confusion. On the left-hand side, there's a simple navigation menu with a few key sections. You'll see Clients, which is where you'll spend a lot of your time, a Company section to manage your team members, an App Center, and your account settings. To actually initiate a remote session, you need the HelpWire Operator app. You can download this directly from the App Center inside the portal. It's a native application that's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so you can provide support from whichever operating system you prefer. The overall design philosophy here is clearly focused on simplicity and getting you to work quickly without needing to navigate through complex menus or settings. Moving on from the general interface, the Clients section in the web portal is more than just a simple address book. It's a proper client management tool. This is where you can build out a full directory of the people and businesses you support. When you add a new client, you can create an individual profile for them. This profile can store their contact information, like their name and email, but more importantly, it includes a space for you to add private notes. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining continuity of service. You can jot down details about a client's specific hardware, past issues, or any other relevant information that only you and your team can see. For each client, the system also automatically groups all of their associated computers, which it calls workstations. When a client connects, HelpWire detects and displays the operating system they're using, including the specific version. This saves you the time of having to ask the client for technical details. The most critical function in this section is generating the shareable access link. From a client's profile, you can instantly get a unique connection link to send them. This centralized approach keeps everything organized, ensuring you have a full history of your interactions and all necessary information right at your fingertips before you even start a support session. Alright, let's get to the core of it. How does a remote session actually work from start to finish? This process is designed to be as smooth as possible, especially for the person receiving help. As the support technician, your workflow begins in your HelpWire portal. You'll select the client you want to assist from your client list, which brings up their profile. From there, you copy their unique connection link. This link is the key to the entire session, and you can share it with your client through any channel you prefer, whether it's email, a messaging app, or over the phone. Once the client receives the link and clicks on it, they are prompted to download a small, lightweight client application. A major advantage here is that the client doesn't need to go through a complex installation process or reconfigure their firewall settings. They simply run the application. After they launch it, you, the technician, will see a notification in your portal. You then click a button to Request Access. This sends a prompt to the client's screen. The connection is entirely permission-based, meaning nothing happens until the client explicitly clicks the Grant Access button on their end. This step is crucial for building trust, as it ensures the client is in full control and is consciously allowing you into their system. As soon as they grant permission, you can press the Connect button in your portal, and their desktop will appear in your operator app window. You now have full control to troubleshoot the issue as if you were sitting right there. The client can see everything you're doing, and they retain the ability to end the session at any time. There's a clear button in their application window to revoke access instantly, and there's also a global keyboard shortcut for extra peace of mind. This entire system bypasses the need for exchanging session IDs and passwords, which simplifies the process and reduces the chance of errors, especially when assisting users who aren't very tech-savvy. Beyond just connecting to a desktop, HelpWire packs in some other really useful tools that make the job easier. These additional features are integrated directly into the workflow. For instance, file transfer is handled in a very intuitive way. If you need to send a driver or a document to your client, you can simply drag the file from your own desktop, drop it directly onto the remote session window, and vice versa. Communication is also built right in. There's an in-app chat feature that allows you to exchange text messages with your client in real time. This is perfect for asking questions or providing updates without needing a separate chat program or a phone call. The chat history is saved and linked to the client's profile, so you can refer back to it later. If you're supporting a client with multiple monitors, HelpWire handles that too. You can view their screens side by side or easily switch between them. Furthermore, HelpWire offers unattended remote access. This is a powerful feature for ongoing maintenance. After getting one-time permission from the client, you can set up their Windows machine for unattended access. This allows you to connect to their computer securely at any time to perform updates or fix issues, even if the client isn't there. Finally, its cross-platform nature means you can run the operator application on Windows, macOS, or Linux, giving you the flexibility to provide support from your preferred environment. So, what's the final word on HelpWire? It delivers on its promise of providing a simple, effective, and genuinely free remote support solution. By removing common frustrations like session time limits and restrictions on commercial use, it stands out as a strong alternative to more established names in the market. It is an excellent choice for freelance IT professionals, small business support teams, and anyone who needs a reliable tool without the high cost or complexity. If you have an IT support team, try HelpWire and share your experience with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.